This is the biggest mistake I have ever made in my life. Holy Spirit. Yes. The watch is still with me. Okay. Oh, I am glad you're waiting. I am glad you're waiting. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Yes.
What's the problem?
Oh, I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yes, tired. I have places to go. I've been here for so long, and this work seems not to be working. And it's not that it's not really working, but it's working so slow. And I have to follow this wristwatch. I have to manifest. It's my time to manifest. And it's not working, and it just asked me to wait.
Okay. What is the time of your manifestation?
My time? I think it's 3 p.m. or thereabout. Yeah.
3 p.m.
Yes.
Okay, let me check the watch.
This is it. What? What is it? Why are you laughing?
Do you know how long you've been here?
I don't really know, but I know I've been here for so long.
What if I tell you that you spent almost 5 years here?
What? 5 what?
Don't be surprised, because you are spending your eternity here. Yes, the watch is no longer working. So how do you expect your journey to be fast?
What can I do? Please help me. I am ready to do anything. I just have to leave this place. I have to manifest. I have places to go. People are waiting for me.
I have an offer for you.
An offer?
If only you will accept it, because I cannot force you.
Right now, please, I am ready to do anything that it takes for me to leave this place. I am so ready.
But it comes with a price.
A price? I am ready to pay any price. Please just help me.
Okay.
I am ready. I need to go out from this place. Oh.
Have this. Have it.
Wow. Thank you. 15 minutes to 3.
And your manifestation time
is 3 p.m.
That means you have 15 minutes.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So now that you've received what will help you, and that will make you move faster than your own time.
Okay.
So, let me have this. So it won't delay you anymore.
My watch?
Yes.
Must you have my watch?
Of course, you can't use both.
That's
You
true.
can't use both.
That's true. That's true. Let me give you. Yeah. I'm so happy right now. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, please, let me take this call. Hello? Yeah. Really? Wow! To my account? 5 million. Oh, thank you. I'll call you back. Let me check. It's true. Yes.
A good news, right?
Yes, a good news.
You don't need to share it.
Oh, really?
Because we have a lot to share.
A lot?
Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you.
But don't forget.
Okay.
Price.
Okay. I will not forget. I will not forget. Thank you. Wait. What am I seeing? Another alert? 10 million naira. Wait. She has gone. Yamakata. Oh. But do you have my secretary number? Please call her. Yeah, thank you. Please can you get me a duplex house? I am fixed. I'm sorry, I won't be able to come. Any amount, just get one for me. I just transferred the money to your account. Joba mention si dila yẹn. Come call amount to your wallet.
Where is my price?
What price?
I'm asking for my price and you are asking me what price?
Oh, I have told you not to disturb my life again. How can you be demanding for my life out of everything I have?
I'm asking for what belongs to me and you are telling me I'm disturbing you.
You have.
Everything you have belongs to me.
No, you should have told me before, please.
See, let me tell you this. Walking girl, go me lowo. My galawa, my dad for me share lowo.
Yes.
This is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm giving you just 2 days to pay my price.
Please.
I will take your life.
She has gone. She's crazy. What have I done? What have I done to myself?
Give me my price.
Please. Again. Please don't give me. Please don't give me. Please don't give me. Please. This is the biggest mistake I have ever made in my life. What have I done?
Give me my price.
Are we meant to bed down? I'm going to take down Gandhi by. What have I done to myself?
My price.
I should have waited. God, have mercy on me. I shouldn't have accepted a offer.